After you eat some layover fried rice for your birthday, we're gonna go to Rainforest Cafe tonight. What kind of animals?
There's a tree that's tall.
There is?
Yeah.
What kind of animals do you want to see, Gigi?
I want to see elephants.
You want to see the elephants? You do?
Yeah.
So Nat, that's for your special birthday dinner. Is that a good idea?
What's that?
Get me the balloon.
Well, we'll leave those here, so they'll be here when you come back. When we go to Rainforest Cafe, maybe we'll get some more balloons. Yay! Yeah, Mama's coming too. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, the kids are coming too?
Yeah, the kids are coming too.
Are you okay now? No? Okay. Well, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday, so we will.
Hers?
Yeah.
Those